Hi, it's Jim at BetterPhoto. Have you ever missed something due to email going to spam? I know that can be so frustrating. If you'd like to improve communication, I have a solution for you. It's called the BetterPhoto Telegram group. This is simply a streamlined way to get and send messages to each other. Join by simply clicking the link below. You may have to install the Telegram app first, but then you'll join the group. And if you're thinking of someone who could benefit from our group, someone interested and passionate about photography, invite them over. Whether they're looking for perfect camera settings or how to get creative with Photoshop, or simply the motivation to get out shooting, this is the place to be. Just send them the link, but first, join yourself by clicking the link below this video. I'm delighted to welcome you to the BetterPhoto Telegram group. Your photography journey is just getting better and better. So let's capture the beauty of the world together. I'll see you at the Telegram group, and I'll see you at BetterPhoto. Thanks. Bye.